In this video, I want to share the very best side hustle to replace a job. Maybe you hate your job, maybe the job is okay but you wish you had more money and the free time to enjoy it, or maybe you have been downsized and don't even have a job. Well, whatever it is, this can be the solution you have been dreaming of, so stick with me. I will share a simple side hustle where you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day, even if you have no previous experience. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I replaced my job over 20 years ago. I'm a full-time side hustler, but I only work a few hours a week. I sail most days in the summer, and I ski most days in the winter, while most people are stuck at their jobs. And before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button right now, and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments section, please let me know how you got value out of this video, and if you do have any questions, please leave them there too. I do read and respond to all of them. So first off, don't get hung up on the term side hustle. It's just something you do to make extra money. And there are all kinds of side hustles, but you need to know that many times you will not make the kind of money you're hoping for, and most side hustles do take a lot of time. It's almost like taking on another job. See, in most side hustles, you end up just trading your time for money because there is no way to leverage your time. To make more money, you need to put in even more time. Do you really want to do that? I sure don't. My wife Barbara and I are all about money freedom and time freedom too. I don't think it matters how much money you do make if you don't have the free time to enjoy it too. So let me tell you a little about the side hustle I do and how you can do the same. It's a super simple business in what is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. And there are lots of affiliate offers you can choose from. Here's why this is my number one recommendation. This affiliate offer markets a high demand product that almost sells itself and has the best affiliate marketing pay plan I have found. Unlike the majority of affiliate offers that pay out small one-time commissions of only a few percent, ours pays out 80% commissions. 80%. That means only 2 sales can put you in profit, and it pays recurring income too. That's money that can come in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for the sales you make today. And it's so simple to do in very minimal time. Your background does not matter. You will get a high converting marketing system and all of the tools that you need to make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. And since this is all done online, you can do it from just about anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. You will have access to the best training in the industry. We do live Zoom calls daily. We have the best online training website I've seen, and a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Plus, when we team up, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. You will never wonder what to do next. Success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is an industry leader with decades of experience. And like I said, I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more about this side hustle and start making money today, go to makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.